Hey, what's up, YouTube? Holding true to my name as a clueless gardener. Went ahead and got some seeds started a little too soon. I wasn't completely prepared, but I was pretty anxious to get started on my gardening. To show you what I got here. A lot of my seedlings they just got too long, improper lighting, and they got leggy, and I had to pull them all. I probably had 200 different seeds in here, man, and I had to pull most of them. I think I have some that might be okay and survive. Let me know what you think if you've got a lot more experience in this than I do. Um, Most of these that I pulled were lettuce. This tray's got beans and I think it's tomato and cucumbers. They might be okay. They're a little hardier than since they're more viney anyway. But I guess we'll see what happens with this. Um, Nemo keeps sneaking in here. Let's see if we can get him out here. Nemo. Nemo. Kitty, kitty. He's hiding back over there with our Christmas tree. That's one of my 4 cats I have running around chewing on the tree. That's great. Nemo. Anyways, let me know what you think. I am going to start over. I got some new shelves and some different lighting coming, and I'll have those set up here in the next week. And I should have a better system set up, designed to handle this with a lot better lighting and a lot more room. But blew this gardener out. Later.